Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we have another really exciting video. So we've just arrived at the Burger King drive-thru and today we're going to be allowing an employee to choose our entire meal. It's going to be quite tricky because I don't think there's many vegan options on the menu. I know that there's a bean burger and there's a chicken royale and they've got onion rings. I think they still do the vegan chicken nuggets.
I hope so.
Yeah,
I had a look online briefly and they have 2 bean burgers and the chicken burgers. I didn't see the nuggets, so I'm not sure.
I'm going to allow them to choose 2 completely vegan meals from their menu for us. We're not going to have any idea what they're going to choose, and then 2 drinks as well.
I'm nervous.
Is it anything? I am a little bit nervous as well. I think because, like, you have to speak to them through the speaker. What if they can't understand what you're saying, number one? And you have to repeat yourself.
I just don't want the bean burgers.
Yeah, I really don't want a bean burger. I want the chicken royale.
Yeah.
Chicken royale. But one thing that I don't want, and that's onion rings. So yeah, if we do get
That's
those...
if they're generous to do sides for us.
Oh, that's true actually. Because if we say vegan meals, they might just give us set meals.
Yeah.
I'm really intrigued to see what they pick. This is going to be our lunch, so it better be good.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then we just have one request. No Coke. That's a drink, because neither one of us like Coke. So let's go on through the drive-thru and I will film and show you. Hey, oh my gosh, look what they've got advertised.
Bean burger now!
Alright, you ready?
Hello, can I take your order, please?
Oh hi, could you surprise us with 2 vegan meals please, with drinks?
And don't tell us.
And don't tell us.
Okay, 2 drink, no Coke.
Yes please,
With
2
drink.
meals and 2 drinks with just no Coke, please.
No Coke. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so we've ordered, we're just waiting. Had some technicalities because the lady didn't understand what we're saying, but yeah, we got there in the end, and so yeah, our meals are on their way.
It doesn't happen that often.
Oh, I think because they've advertised the bean burger so much, we're definitely getting a bean burger.
Thank you. Ooh. Thank
Ooh,
you.
okay, so we've got Fanta and Sprite.
Amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you. Well done, Tash. So nervous, but this is actually really exciting.
Hello, mommy.
I really want chips.
That's part of the meal, right?
Yeah, I feel like every meal comes with chips. I mean, they could have gone really fancy and given us chips and onion rings.
I don't know.
I keep mentioning onion rings and I don't like onion rings. But I keep saying they're going to give us onion rings.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Shit, wrong way.
Got to sit in.
Park up here.
Yeah. Okay, so we got quite lucky because the lady who was serving us was really, like, I guess, invested in what we were doing. She was like really, really friendly, so that was a plus. So, what did you get?
I think I got the bean burger.
Oh no!
It says B on it.
Let's see. Oh no, you didn't. You got the plant-based Whopper.
Oh, but why does it say B on it?
Wait, open it. Let's see. No, I think you got the plant-based Whopper.
But I don't have that online.
Yeah, they do have it. Oh no, that means I've got the bean burger.
No, it's bean.
Okay. Right.
Got a bit tomato.
And what else did you get?
Chips.
Chips. Okay, that's quite safe. Is that right?
Everything I expected it to be.
Any onions in there?
Can't taste any. There's a bit of lettuce, cheese and tomato.
Cool. Alright, my turn. Let's see what I've got. Okay, so I know I've definitely got chips. So Tash thought she was recording, but I wasn't. But I also got a bean burger, which is, honestly, it's not that bad. But they could have given us chicken royale or the vegan plant burger or the bean burger, and we both got bean burgers. But actually, it's not too bad.
Yeah.
It's a lot better than I thought it would be. I would have thought they would have given us 2 different vegan meals, but I think next time we're just going to have to specify 2 different vegan meals.
We never normally have this for lunch. If I can make it through.
We'll eat it all.
No, the drinks.
Okay. Need salt and chips. Does anyone remember Burger King's old chips? Honestly, when I was growing up, whenever we had like takeaway, like fast food, it was never McDonald's, it would always be like Burger King, and their chips were amazing, like so good. And then they changed them like 10 plus years ago.
But you found them in Thailand, didn't
you? In Thailand, we went to Burger King and they had those old chips and I was in heaven. They were so good.
You're really happy.
I was so happy. It just brought me back to like childhood. They were really like thin and crispy. If you remember, comment down below because they were so good.
Yeah. The airport in Thailand before going back to Hong Kong.
Yeah. 10 a.m. we were flying home and I got a full-on meal. Like, was it like a medium or large? I had no business eating a full-on burger and chips at that time. But I feel like at the airport, time doesn't really exist, does it?
I had the mango and coconut rice. Mango sticky rice.
That was your thing? Throughout the whole of our trip. Well, to Thailand anyway. The meal out of 10.
Probably a 5. Only because I'm not too keen on like bean burgers. Yeah. It doesn't feel like it's anything like I haven't had before.
Yeah. Yeah. I'll give it a 6.
I'd give it a 6 for the service as well.
Lady was really nice. Give it a 6 because number 1, I'm hungry. And number 2, I mean, it's chips and a burger. Can't really go wrong, but again, it's nothing like to write home about.
I want to try the vegan royale now, the chicken one.
Yeah. I feel like going in there before the video and be like, give us a vegan royale. Okay, so that's everything for today's video. Really hope you enjoyed this drive-through. Please let us know if you want us to do this again. There aren't many places that have drive-throughs in London. If we do it again, it'll probably be when we next go out of London.
That was fun. It was fun.
Yeah, that was fun. I think the only bummer was getting the same meal. Just different drinks.
I was tempted to go back and get the other one.
Yeah,
but
so scratch that.
I'm sorry.
Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.
Peace. Our next video.
My